Hi, Josh here with the all-new Rio. I'm really excited about this car, and in the next few minutes we're going to go over the fresh updates that are making the Rio a favorite at Kia.
The exterior of the Rio has been completely redone, bringing a more bold and aggressive look to the stylish hatchback. Kia didn't hold back anything when redesigning the Rio. They've managed to make a car that's bigger, bolder, and more modern than its previous generation. And really, that's what you see when looking at the Rio, an aggressive, stylish, and downright awesome car.
The headlamps of the all-new Rio give off an energetic and aggressive vibe by having a slimmer and stronger look with this daytime running light around the projection lamp.
The grille has been completely changed to give the hatchback a more connected look with the headlamps. The resulting changes leave a car that simply looks amazing. The rear of the hatchback continues the aggressive and bold theme of this all-new Kia. The 3 angled tail lamps show a better design improvement that gives a sophisticated look from the rear.
The exterior improvements of this vehicle give a lasting impression of modern bold style. Kia really has been showing its strength when creating great looking and spacious interiors, and the Rio really follows that design pattern. And with the additions of more features and more buttons, the designers at Kia had to be really smart in providing a spacious and relaxing environment
for the Rio. The interior has a general curved design that gives more space in the front of the cabin, and the floating display design doesn't waste any space by having the controls under the display. When first stepping into the vehicle, people will be surprised at the space that the Rio offers. Roominess is truly one of the key strengths of the Rio from the previous generation.
Now don't be fooled by the smaller size of this car. Kia has still managed to create more front and rear space for all passengers in the all-new Rio. The back seats are incredibly comfortable, and there is even a USB charger to charge your portable devices. What's really great about the Rio is that even though you have so much space in the front, you don't sacrifice your cargo space. And the rear seats even fold flat to provide you with additional space when needed. The Kia Rio has a firm ride that is direct and incredibly stable. And with the responsive steering, you'll be pleased with the aggressive and bold feel of the all-new Rio.
Large space and safety were 2 of the priorities when designing the Rio. The structure of the Rio has been upgraded, which means more protection in the event of a collision. Yet to be tested, but Kia is aiming for 5 stars in safety tests in the future. Like all of the new Kias, the Rio is packed full of features to enhance your driving experience. ESC, Vehicle Stability Management, Forward Collision Warning System, Assisted Emergency Braking, Lane Departure Warning System are also available on the app market to add to your experience with the Rio.
The all-new Kia Rio. It's the bold and aggressive hatchback that everyone can enjoy.